Most people just search to find, but with Elastic, search reveals more. When you search, Elasticsearch gives you two things: hits, page of documents that match, and aggregations. These are the analytics that explain what's beyond that page. So if you ask for 7s in a deck, Elastic shows all 4. That's hits. But it can also tell you 2 are red, 2 are black. There are 4 suits. That's aggregations. Want to search logs with status 500? Hits show the individual errors, but aggregations show when they came from, how often, and you can see visually if they're spiking. Hits are just a small, highest scoring portion of what matched, but aggregations are what it all means. Next episode, we go deeper into the power of bucketing and how Elasticsearch helps you organize the chaos.